Okay, you guys, I'm on video number 3 for today. I'm on a roll. I've been stalking the window for this package because I got an email this morning saying it was out for delivery. It's here. It's here. I'm so excited. This is my Christmas gift to myself from Colourpop. This is the biggest order I placed. You guys see how big this is? So big. Never got a big package like this from Colourpop. I didn't even open it yet because I want it to be authentic and real on camera. Just realized I didn't say hi to you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I can't wait. It's heavy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, the camera's shaking. I'm so excited. Oh, I need to open this. I need to open this. I need to open this. I'm literally using a makeup brush to open this and it's not working. Oh, there we go. Whew. All right, I see you. I got it open. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff on top, a bunch of bubble wrap, more 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 bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, everything is in here, you guys. I literally got almost all of the vaults. This is insane. This is like ridiculous and so insane. All right, so let's go ahead and just get into the unboxing. The first thing I picked up was a backup of the Soul Body body lotion. I already have one. I'm actually out of it. I just finished it all today. I love this Soul Body lotion. If you've never tried it, you are missing out. It smells so good. Love the scents. Now, when this came out, I always wanted Soul Body to come out with like perfumes or like body type things, and they did. And that was one of the vaults released for the Christmas sale, so that's in here somewhere. So I did pick that up. Love this lotion. You get 7 ounces of product in here. It lasts a while. It lasts a while, and I really do love this lotion. It's definitely my favorite lotion ever. Also from Soul Body, I picked up the body wash. I have been using this non-freaking stop. This is what it looks like. You get a lot of product in here. If you've never tried the body wash, it is so good. The scent of Soul Body is literally across all of their products. So if you love how the lotion is, you'll love this. It's the same scent. It smells so good, and I use this every time I get in the shower. So I bought a backup, and this has been lasting me quite a while, so I don't need to use this just yet, but you know. All right. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the Soul Body body spritzer in the shade Sea Bloom. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay. Okay, so it's like in this kind of bottle right here. It has like a bluish kind of tint to it. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells fresh. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. I don't want to spray too much because I do have another one and the other scent that I picked up, but y'all, this smells delicious. I love the smell of that. Soul Body, I see you. All right, let's just randomly pull something out. Okay, so we have the Like a Charm Cream Gel Liner Vault. So this is exciting. I'm really excited to add more cream gel liners to my collection. This is what this looks like. You get 12 cream gel liners in here in this cute little vault. So I have been looking on Colourpop's website at the Color Outside the Lines Cream Gel Liner Vault. It has like the most cream gel liners ever in it, and it's been out of stock for months. And I went and looked today, and it is no longer on the website. Can you imagine how upset I am? Like, I was really hoping to get those neon cream gel liners, and it's no longer. So I'm hoping next year in the spring/summer they come out with neon cream gel liners so I can get my hands on it, because I don't have any bright neon cream gel liners. All right, next I picked up the It's Faux 8-piece Faux Mink False Lash Kit. Wow. So you get 8 lashes in here. These look really, really pretty. I've never tried Colourpop's lashes before, believe it or not. As much as I buy from Colourpop, I've never tried their mink lashes, and I'm really excited to try this. I see a couple that I'm dying to try out. There's one pair in here that's like so thin. I don't know what that's gonna do for me, but I'm excited to try it out and see how it goes. All right, we got some more stuff from Soul Body. No, right? Yes, from Soul Body. We have the other body spritzer in the shade Sun-Kissed Coconut. So let's smell this one. I hope this is the original Soul Body scent, because that is what I was hoping for when I purchased this. It is! Oh my... Oh, okay. This is the original Soul Body scent. This is so good. This smells so freaking good. Soul Body, thank you so much for making this. Oh my gosh, I smell so good. I smell like a freaking beach. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this because I have been wanting that Soul Body scent in a spray. Here it is. Thank you, Soul Body. That smells so good. I think this one has to be my favorite out of the other one. The other one smells good, but this one, my favorite. From Fourth Ray, I picked up the Cloud Bank Milky Cleanser. I wanted to try this. This looked really good. I've never really used like milky cleansers before, so I really was intrigued by this product, and they restocked it and I was like, let me pick it up. But this is what it looks like right here. It's just like a white cleanser. So hopefully my skin loves this cleanser. It does have rose water in it and argan milk. That sounds good. This low-key kind of reminds me of like how the face milks look. So I'm wondering if this is basically a face milk in a cleanser form. But I'll let you guys know in a future video how I like it and what's the tea on this particular product. This is exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the Dreamery Super Shock Shadow Vault right here. Love the Super Shock shadows. And this looks like it's much more well packaged than the Ulta one. And it is. Nothing is broken. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Dreamery. Let's see. Can you guys see? Is it focusing? So the shades that are included in this vault is Ice Dream, Frog, Catitude, Lightning Bug, Solitaire, Set to Sun, Moonwalk, Dream Lover, and DGAF. I feel like that shade, that last shade that I just read, was in the Ulta one. I can't quite remember exactly, but I feel like it was. If there's anything you guys want to see in like a dedicated video, definitely let me know, because I would be so happy to do it. I do plan on doing some type of dedicated videos with some of this stuff, but if there's anything you want to see like right now, definitely let me know. So I picked up the Milk Moment Mini Milk Kit from Fourth Ray Beauty. I really wanted to try this. They did minis of new like face milk blends. So we have the Strawberry Papaya one, which I already have in the full size. Love it. Then they have Pineapple Coconut, Matcha Avocado, and Chamomile Oat. So this is really exciting. Hopefully, if I like any of these, eventually Fourth Ray will come out with full sizes of these milk blends. I don't see why they wouldn't though. I feel like I don't see why they wouldn't. Maybe they're waiting for like the right time to come out with them, or see which ones people are really loving. I don't know, but I really do like that they did more face blends, because I love the Strawberry Papaya one. It smells so good. I also got the Soul Body, the Body Kit. All of my favorites from Soul Body in like a mini travel size. I went out of town recently and I brought all the full sizes of all of these, and I was like, this is just so hard to store. It's just too big. I don't need all this product. I just need little bitty travel sizes. And I got this. Unfortunately, this didn't come in time for my trip, but I got the minis because I needs the minis. I needs them. And these are so cute. Oh wow, these are really mini. Okay, maybe the body lotion I think is a really good size, but like the body wash and the cleansing oil, I feel like I might run out of this so fast. These are really tiny. These are so tiny. Oh my gosh. I mean, I asked for the travel, but like this is like one like squirt on your wash towel. This is cute. This little mini lotion is so cute. From Fourth Ray, I did pick up the lip mask trio. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try the rose and the strawberry. The coconut one really wasn't my favorite. I'm not a fan of coconut really anything except for the original Soul Body like scent, but I hope these, like, you know what, I'm gonna open this right now because I want to see. We have the rose one. Let's see. I'm obsessed with lip masks, by the way, guys. Ooh, whoa, she's like runny. It smells like rose. Okay, that's exciting. Oh, she thick. I hope that Fourth Ray comes out with these individually. I didn't see these individually. I personally would have purchased them individually instead of in the set during Cyber Week, but this was only available in the set, so I had to get the coconut one again. And then we have the strawberry one, which I'm also really excited about. I just want to smell this one. Oh my gosh. I hope they come out with a ton of these because I will collect these. I love lip masks. And that smells so good. It smells like strawberries. That smells divine. I'm gonna use one of these tonight. I cannot go to sleep without a lip mask on. They're just a necessity. It's literally just like taking a shower at night. I can't not do it, if that makes sense. We are kind of getting down to the bottom, kind of not. Okay, so I also picked up the pink ones of the cooling facial globes. I love these, you guys. I got the blue ones when they first came out, and I'm obsessed with them for like applying my face milks. And I just wanted to have more. They were really cheap. I think these were like $14 instead of $20, so I wanted to pick them up because I like them. But if you don't know, you basically put this in like the fridge. I keep these in my skincare fridge, and then when I go to apply like any moisturizer or serum, I apply that to my face, and then I use this to blend it out. They don't recommend that you put them in the freezer. I don't think you should put them in the freezer because I think they would crack because they are made of glass. And they also come with these little white little handles to put on them, so it is comfortable, so it isn't too cold when you take them out of the fridge. I did get both of the new pastel eyeshadow palettes right here, so I will be doing a dedicated video on these. But the first one is called On Cloud Blue. I am going to show you guys these so you guys could see. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's cracked. Oh my god, please don't be broken. Dang it. It's kind of like messed up a little bit. It's broken. Oh my god. It literally just fell out of the pan. That makes me so sad. It's gone. It cracked and fell everywhere. This is gonna stain my carpet. I'm back. I think I got most of it up out of the carpet. This is new carpet in here. So yeah, I think I got most of it up. I like really scrubbed. I'm like out of breath. That blue stains. Unfortunately, like I have like this little like rug that's on top of the carpet that is white, and the blue got on, so I'm gonna try to wash it, but I might have to buy another one. I cannot believe that. I will be contacting Colourpop saying that that shade was broken. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on. So we have the Cloud Spun palette, and I'm hoping this is not broken. I'm going to like hold it over the box. Here's the Cloud Spun palette. Luckily, nothing is broken. I'm kind of traumatized about these eyeshadows now, so I am just going to show you guys a quick little glance at it. It's really pretty. Alright, we are almost done. I did pick up this little, I think this is the all over cleansing towelettes. You get 100 towelettes in here, and I believe it sits in this cute little box, which is really nice. Wow. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so you put them in this box, and this box is reusable, which is really nice. I'm trying to open this. So yeah, this goes in here. like this, and it just closes, which I think that's really cute and cool. Colourpop and Colourpop sister brands has like the best packaging and ideas. It's just so different. Wow. Cannot get over this blue. Ah! So we have 2 more items, and this next item is from Soul Body. This is the Lounge Bar Fragrance Oil Kit. So you get 3. You get the Sunkissed Coconut, which is the original Soul Body shade, Sea Bloom, which was the other body spritzer that I tried, and then you get Rose Petals. So I am gonna smell Rose Petals. Here's what they, whoop, I'm dropping stuff today. It's just not, Okay, so we have Rose Petals right here. I am going to smell this. It smells like roses. It smells so good. Last but definitely not least, I did pick up the Glitter Hour Mini Glitterly Obsessed Vault. You get 9 Glitterly Obsessed in here. These are so cute. I really am intrigued by the purples and the blues in here. I don't have any like purple or blue Glitterly Obsessed, so you guys can get a little sneak peek in here. I might use these in an upcoming video of all the other Colourpop products. I'm really happy about all of my products. Even the blue eyeshadow palette that just gave me hell and stressed me out because I really did not think that stain was gonna come out from that blue eyeshadow. But yeah, Okay, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This stuff is really cute. I'm so happy about all of my products, and this is my Christmas gift to myself. It literally felt like Christmas. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.